A lot of companies say work hard, play hard. For us, that means packing up the four-wheel drives and heading out into the bush together. At Teamwork Technology, it's more than just a name, it's our mantra. If you know Australia, you know you need to be prepared for anything. You need the right tools, the right people, and most importantly, the right plan to keep moving forward. There were some devastating floods in the mid-north coast region of New South Wales. We were able to see that one of our practices that we support was underwater, about 1 metre. Every computer in the practice destroyed. I kicked off Operation Save the Practice. Without the client even asking, we'd recovered backups to our data centre. We had him operational to a stage where when he was able to call, we could go, it's already done. We were able to get all 3 servers up and running within 2 hours. That's direct from the cloud onto a virtual machine in our data center. It was really reassuring that we'd made the correct choice. It just works. It's the simple dashboards that we get for the cloud backups, being able to see successful backups and check on them. And it's being able to pinpoint those and get a resolution fast. And our team have loved working with the product because it is easy to troubleshoot when things do go bang. And they were able to get that successful restore. We've got Kaseya looking at the security of that product, the safety of the data. It's like 1,000 things less I have to worry about every single day. For us, business is an adventure. And like camping in the bush, success isn't about avoiding challenges, it's about preparing for them.